everyone, it's Daz, and this week's discussion is on a story that I came across from Japan Times about a collision of a boat with a marine creature. I'll read the story and then give you my commentary on it, and the link to it should be posted in the description box. 80 people were injured Saturday after a jet foil ferry apparently hit a marine animal off Sato Island in the Sea of Japan, according to the Japan Coast Guard. 13 people sustained serious injuries, the Coast Guard said. The collision at around 12:15 p.m. did not prevent the jet foil from reaching its destination on Sato Island. According to ferry operator Sato Steamship Co., a 15-centimeter crack was found at the stern. Coast Guard officials were investigating the cause of the incident. The vessels may have hit a whale or some other creature, they said. The vessel carrying 121 passengers and 4 crew had left Nagata port at 11:30 a.m. It arrived at Ryotsu port at around 1:30 p.m. Crew members call on passengers to wear seatbelts before departure as well, as when the vessel is sailing, Sato Steamship said. The boat propelled by a high-pressure jet of seawater operates at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, connecting Nagata and Ryotsu ports in about an hour. Its hydrofoil wings were also damaged in the collision. After the sound of a bang, my throat hit the seat in front of me. People around me were moaning because of pain, one of the passengers told reporters. So I just found the story of interest with everything that's been discussed in the past month in terms of animals coexisting with humans, adjusting to changes in urbanization and such, and whether this was a common creature like a whale or something larger, or could it possibly be something cryptid. I just found it fascinating, and I'd like to know what you guys' thoughts are on it. Also, if you're interested in urban legends and would like to check out the historical paranormal series that I have on my secondary channel, be sure to check it out. I usually post the links to each video in my urban legends playlist, which has a combination of urban legend videos I've done on this channel as well as urban legend videos I'm doing on the second channel. But the latest episode is on cattle mutilation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Take care, and God bless.